till you found it. Unwavering belief. Oh, the feeling is astounding. Oh, the sense of energy. You might not see it on your skin, but you will feel it underneath. What you gonna do when you're tired, love?
Keep on pushing, keep on pushing.
You might be at the end of the line, but
keep on pushing, keep on pushing. Stronger than you think and you're better than you know. So keep on pushing till the end, you better never let it go.
What you gonna do when you're tired, love?
Keep on pushing, keep on pushing.
Such a beautiful sound, it's like lightning over me. It's a force so profound, it's hiding underneath.
Can you feel the fire in the back of your eyes? On the surface there's a storm, but you can calm in your mind. You're the greatest and the strongest, you're the fastest alive. This is survival of the fittest and you're taking the prize.
What you gonna do when you're tired, love?
Keep on pushing, keep on pushing.
You might be at the end of the line, but
keep on pushing, keep on pushing. Stronger than you think and you're better than you know. So keep on pushing till the end, you better never let it go.
what